Shchuchka or Hopak is one of the most striking and acrobatic moves in Ukrainian folk dance, especially in the Hopak. The performer leaps into the air, stretching their body horizontally to imitate the motion of a pike diving. This move can be done in two ways, with straight legs or opening your legs through knees. Make sure to warm up before we begin to avoid injuries. Sit on the floor and focus on the upper part of your body, keeping your arms straight up. Legs are closed. Step 2. Front Patmans. Try to reach your hands with your feet while leaning your torso parallel to the floor during the kick. Step 3. Jump and try to bring your knees to your chest while in the air. Step number 4. Advanced step. When you feel confident with your jump height balloon, try to reach your hands with your feet as in step 1. Be cautious. This is a challenging trick. Don't get discouraged if you can't do it on the first attempt. Some dancers spend years mastering this move.